Good morning, Lo here from Lo App Design. Today I'm going to show you how to create window casings in less than 3 minutes in SketchUp. Okay, so first you are going to draw a rectangle on the side of inside your window. Here I draw a 10 by 2 little rectangle. Then you draw a rectangle to cover your whole window. That's going to create a face. Select the face, delete. Then you are going to select all the lines that are surrounding your window that were created when you created when you drew your rectangle. So select all the lines, then you go to your toolbar, select the follow me tool, and then click on the first little rectangle you drew. That's creating your window casing. You don't want it to be flush to the wall, so push pull tool, click, then push pull. I push pull about 1 inch, but you can do whatever you want, right? So inside and outside. So push pull, double click, and that will pull it the same depth than it did inside. In order to be able to select every single face of your Windows casing, what I did is I went to my tags, and I clicked on the walls. So I didn't want to see the walls. I selected every single faces of my Windows casing. I reversed the faces because it was blue, and then I created a group. Then go back to my tags, and then I'm going to create a tag named Windows casing, and I will apply that tag to my new Windows casing. Up, so select the tag, there you are. Now, on and off, on and off. So put your walls back up. And now let's duplicate my Windows casing because my 3 windows have the same size. So select your Windows casing, M for move tool, move it where it has to be, then push Alt on your keyboard, that's going to duplicate it. Then do that again, move tool again, select your Windows casing, move it where you want it to be, and don't forget to push Alt on your keyboard. That's going to duplicate your Windows casing. And here you are. In less than 3 minutes, I showed you how to create a Windows casing and how to duplicate it, put it in place. Hope you liked it. Hope that helped. Don't forget to follow for more. Thank you.